Jyotirmayi. I am back with one more topic. In this video, I am going to explain what is recruitment and what are the sources of recruitment. First, we will discuss what is recruitment. Recruitment is the process of hiring the right number of people at the right time with the right skills for the right job. I repeat, it is the process of hiring right number of people at the right job with the right skills at the right time. So, what are the sources of recruitment? There are two types of sources. One is internal sources, the other one is external sources. What do you mean by internal sources? Internal sources means we are recruiting the people from the inside of organization, within the organization. External sources are from external, outside of the organization. The recruitment process will be done outside the organization and candidates from the outside will apply for the job. There are several types of internal sources. First one is present employees. For example, if there is a vacancy in the manager position, we can recruit the person who is presently working as an executive. We can promote him as a manager. So, it is recruitment from the present employees. Next one is employee referrals. Some employees will refer their friends for the recruitment in our organization. Employee referrals, and for this referrals the organization will pay some amount to the employees. Former employees, and the employees who left the organization will also be eligible for applying the job. And former employees can also refer to their friends. If our organization is good, working conditions are good, compensation, our salary package, everything is good, they will refer to the other friends. The next one in the internal sources is previous applicants. So, when the recruitment process has done, for example, take before 2 months a recruitment process was done, and some are selected for the job and some are not selected for the job. The people who are not selected for the job will be reviewed again, and they will be called for the interview so that they will evaluate their performance. If they improve their skills and communication skills, they will be selected for the job. So, these are all the internal sources of recruitment. Present employees, employee referrals, former employees, previous applicants. The second type of sources are external sources. External sources means we are recruiting from outside the organization. Now, we will know how external sourcing can be done. First one is employment exchanges. So, some people who want to leave the organization can refer to their friends, and in the position of them, their friends can join. Next one is advertisements. So, previously there are no digital means of communication. They used to print it on papers. Now also they are printing, but advertisements. Now everything is going digitally. There are many portals like Naukri, Indeed, Glassdoor. So there are many portals. Now it has become easier. Previously it is very difficult to publish on papers, giving the posters and all that. Next one is employment agencies. Employment agencies are also known as consultancies. So consultancies will provide the people for the organization, or they will directly recruit for the organization, or they will source the candidates and they will send the interview for the organization. Half process will be done by the consultancies and the remaining selection process, recruitment will be done by the organization. Next one, professional associations. Like professional associations are like job melas, mega drives, campus recruitment. These are all called professional associations where they can hire in bulk number of candidates. Campus recruitment. It is also a part of professional association, and the organization will tie up with the colleges who are top and their skills are high. So they will have tie-ups with the educational institutions, and these organizations who are tied up will go for the campuses to recruit the students. Next one is word of mouth. It is not particular, but it is also an important part of sourcing. Word of mouth is nothing but if I know about the recruitment, I will share to my friends. families, etc. Next one is riding. It is an important topic because the companies from the other candidates, the candidates from the other organizations will be eligible for our organization. It is simply grabbing or thefting the employees from the other organization. These are the sources of recruitment, internal sources and external sources. Thank you.